So usually I sort of explain or use the word, be selfish. We are human beings by nature. Every sentient being, selfish. Then, selfish to self is right. Maximum care oneself, right. Those people who some kind of self-hatred, such person, impossible to develop compassion towards others. So, self-love is the sound basis, seed, that extend to others. That is compassion. So we are selfish, but should be wise selfish rather than foolish selfish. Too much extreme, short-sighted, narrow-minded selfish self-destruction. Often it happens. So if you really love ourselves, you should use our intelligence properly. How to bring maximum interest for your own well-being. So that's the way I usually call secular way of educating these inner values.